Hey guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q questions and answers. My hair looks a little different. I've been trying to fix it. I bleached it again and then I left purple shampoo on it for too long, so that's why there's like a grayish purplish tint to it. But I kind of like it. I still need to work on getting this brassiness under control underneath there, but we'll just hide it underneath there for the time being. Anyway, questions and answers. Can you please help? Every time I open Poshmark, it goes to men's category. Even everything I change it to all, but once I close and reopen it, it's back to men's. How to change it back to all. Okay, so that happens sometimes, but that's weird you said that you changed it and it's still going back to men's. Okay, so basically what she's talking about is when she opens up her app, the feed is on men's. So if you go here in the upper right hand corner where it says all, you want to tap on whatever market you want to see. So mine is always on all. Yeah, that definitely happens to me sometimes, and when it does, I just tap on all and it stays that way. I don't know why yours isn't. That's really weird. Okay, let's do a little experiment. So let's change it from all to men's. Okay, so it's on men's right now. So let's close out of here. Let's close out of all of my other million apps. Okay, so mine is back to all. This is weird. Hold on, I see some cute things that I might want to purchase, so I'm gonna like them for later. All right, now you got me confused because I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, let's change it to like luxury. Okay, it's on luxury, blah, blah, blah. Let's, you know, tap around. Let's look at something. Okay, now let's close out of here. Okay, then we're gonna go back in. And it's back to all. What the heck? I don't know. Because you should be able to change it that way, and you always used to be able to do it. So maybe it's just a glitch right now in the app. I don't know. If anyone has any suggestions on what to do, please comment down below and help this person out, because I don't know. That's strange. It's never done that to me before. Weird. All right, next question. How do you feel about the USPS maybe ending their services? Okay, so I've heard like rumors about that. I don't think that it'll happen. I think it would be insane if it happened. I mean, obviously what's going on in the world right now is already insane, so you know, if it does happen, it's just kind of like par for the course, I guess. I mean, it's nothing's really surprising anymore, I guess. The world will definitely go to a very darker place if they close down. So, yeah, that wouldn't be good at all, because a lot of businesses depend on the mail now. You know, like stores, you can't go into stores now. They're depending on like their online sales. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta do a bit more research and see if it's really gonna happen. I mean, I hope that it doesn't, and I don't think that'll happen. I mean, I hope it doesn't happen, but if it does, that will be awful. Like honestly, that will not be good at all. All right, next question. How long do you keep an item before donating it if it's not selling? So these questions are tough. Like I get this question a lot. I get the question of, you know, how long do you keep an item before you relist it? And it's definitely different for every item. Okay, so let's say I have like this t-shirt. This t-shirt is sick. It's an Obey t-shirt. Let's say this was in my closet. It might be in my closet, although I bought this with the intent of reselling it, but I kind of like it, so I might keep it for myself. But let's just say it's for sale in my closet. I would probably, before donating this, it depends on the amount of interaction that the item gets. If it's not getting any shares, if it's not getting any likes, then you know, I'll try, you know, working with the price. If it still doesn't get any action after that, then it's time to donate. And I don't know, I would say like a couple of months, say like 3 months is like a general time frame. If nothing is getting action, no likes, no shares, and I've tried dropping the price and nothing's happening, then probably, yeah, 3 months. So this wasn't a question. I did just want to read this because I liked this comment. In one of my previous Q&A videos, somebody asked me about cost of goods, and I said that I don't give that info out because I just don't. That's just private info. I don't want everyone knowing. And this person commented about that. I just wanted to read it for those of you that maybe don't understand. This person says, I love that you don't give out your cost of goods and keep some things private. I cringe sometimes when I hear fellow sellers give out all the info. I know it's to be helpful when they share. I do benefit from hearing it, but I think it's not beneficial for the seller's business and customers to hear some things. Yes, yes. Hashtag respect the hustle, LOL. Love your videos and your killer work ethic getting all these videos up. Thank you so much for that comment. I don't know your name, but your username was for his glory 734. So thank you so much for that comment, seriously. Okay. Next question, can you do a video on the business license resellers permit side of things, sales tax, find wholesalers? Yes, I will. That is actually a video that is on my list of videos to film. Yes, so that video will be coming soon. So I have this meme saved in my phone. It was actually from yesterday because President douchebag. I can't stand the man. I can't. I know he's my president, but I fucking don't like him at all. And that's my opinion. If you like him, great. No political comments, but I just wanted to read this because I thought this was funny. He was talking about restarting the country. Yes, we want to restart the country. This says, restarting the economy as the curve starts to flatten is like stopping your antibiotics because you feel better. So true. All right, moving along from that because we don't want to get political here. Next question. Hey, I love your videos and they've helped me start my Poshmark closet. I have a quick question. I have recently made a few bundle discounts to people and they keep telling me that Poshmark won't let them accept the offer because Poshmark won't verify their license. What? I originally thought this was an excuse for someone who wasn't interested anymore, but I've had this happen 3 times in a row. Is there anything I can do, or is this just a coincidence that 3 people use the same excuse? Thank you. You guys are giving me questions that are stumping me today. I have never heard of that. Poshmark won't verify their license. They're like, what? Their driver's license? Like what license are we talking about? Oh, just for shats and gaggles, I'm going to Google that. Hold on, what can I even Google? Poshmark won't verify my license.
I found this on the web.
Oh, hold on. Interesting. Okay, so this is a Reddit post from 283 days ago, but this person said, I bought 2 items from Poshmark recently and tried to buy a third, but they wouldn't let me until I uploaded proof of my identity, driver's license or passport. So maybe they're trying to verify that the card really belongs to that person. And this has a link to Poshmark. How to complete identity verification. You may be... Okay, so this makes sense. Okay. This says you may be prompted to complete identity verification if you take a particular action on Poshmark, such as purchasing an item or changing your email address or phone number. Identity verification is done to confirm that you own the payment method that is being used for the orders placed on your Poshmark account, or in order to update your email address or phone number. So yeah, this talks about you got to get your driver's license, you lay it on a flat dark surface, you gotta take a picture of it and send it to them. So yeah, I don't think that person is lying, or people are lying. It's definitely a thing. It's kind of weird that it happened to you 3 times in a row though. It wasn't the same person, right? You said, I don't think you said it was the same person. You said it was 3 different people. So yeah, so that's, I've never heard of that before, but it makes sense, you know, if you go and change something on your account. Although I've changed like my bank account info and I haven't had to upload my license, or maybe because they already have that on file. I think it's a legit thing. I wouldn't question the buyers. I think it's a legit thing. Maybe they just didn't set up their accounts completely when they signed up for Poshmark. Interesting though, I've never come across that. I've never had anyone ask me about that. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItWrapped. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. I have started to do pregnancy updates on my vlog channel. If you guys didn't know, I'm currently pregnant with my 5th baby. But yeah, I've started to do like updates on there. I'm not really gonna talk about this pregnancy much on this channel. That's gonna be more on my vlog channel. If you're interested in like my personal life and, you know, shit like that, follow my vlog channel. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.